G here from OG Creations. Happy Pride to anyone who is celebrating our history, self-expression, and love this month. I've explained this process before, but here's a quick overview. With a black 100% cotton tee, I locate the center and tightly secure rubber bands, creating sections as I work my way down the length of the shirt. I then apply a 2-to-1 water to bleach solution and let that process for about 25 minutes. I immediately soak the shirt in a 10-to-1 water to peroxide solution and let that set for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then I place it in a soda ash bath for 20 to 25 minutes before finally placing it on my dye racks and letting it set for 12 to 24 hours until it's practically dry. Starting the center again, I apply dyes to both sides of the shirt. I then wrap it up in a plastic bag and leave it for about 24 to 48 hours in an area that's about 65 to 70 degrees in my home. All of these shirts, along with my Pride 22 men's bikini and jock series, are currently available on my Etsy. Why don't you go check them out? The shirt is then thoroughly rinsed in cold water, ran through the washing machine using a cold water cycle and then a hot water cycle. The shirt's then dried, ironed, and my OGC logo applied. Proud to the core. Show your pride radiating inside out. I post new content every Friday, so make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you would like to see created next.